Ever pondered about the magic in mushrooms? Are you aware of the spectacular health benefits hidden in these humble fungi? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of mushrooms and uncover their nutritional prowess. Mushrooms, known as the meat of the vegetable world, hold a unique place on the superfood list. Not only are they delicious, but they also pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. Imagine a food source with virtually no calories, no fat, low in sodium, and high in fiber. Sounds too good to be true? Well, mushrooms are just that. They are a rich source of B vitamins, including riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. And what do these vitamins do? They help to provide energy by breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. But that's not all. Mushrooms are also an excellent source of the mineral selenium. Selenium, a powerful antioxidant, works to protect body cells from damage that might lead to serious diseases. It also contributes to the health of the immune system, making mushrooms an excellent ally in your quest for a robust immune system. Now let's talk about the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. Mushrooms are one of the few non-animal sources of this essential vitamin. When exposed to sunlight, mushrooms produce vitamin D, which aids in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, two elements crucial for maintaining healthy bones and teeth. Furthermore, mushrooms are full of bioactive compounds that have anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and potentially even anti-cancer properties. These compounds, like beta-glucans, have shown potential in boosting heart health and stimulating the immune system. So, how can you incorporate this superfood into your meals? The beauty of mushrooms lies in their versatility. You can grill them, stuff them, slice them into salads, or blend them into a savory soup. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your culinary creativity. In conclusion, mushrooms, with their impressive array of nutrients and antioxidants, truly deserve the title of a superfood. They are a testament to the saying that good things come in small packages. So, why not make a simple yet powerful change to your diet? Embrace the mushroom, the humble hero of the superfood world. Add a bit of mushroom magic to your meals and experience the difference. After all, it's not just about eating, it's about eating right and living better. Remember, your health is your wealth, so go ahead and make the most of these nutritional powerhouses today.